Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Sign into the Google account you plan to sync and confirm your computer meets requirements. Once signed in, download Google Drive for desktop, then run the installer as an administrator. This avoids permission errors. Make sure you choose the correct account when prompted, because that determines the files that appear on your desktop. While installing, pay attention to the option to stream or mirror files. This choice affects local disk use and download behavior. Once installed, open the Drive app and configure sync options. You decide how files behave. Choose stream files to save disk space or mirror files to keep full copies locally. Streaming uses on-demand download, mirroring keeps files instantly available. Then pick which My Drive folders you want accessible offline, because that controls bandwidth and storage. Also set network limits and file exclusions, so Drive won't clog your connection or attempt to sync. To finish, confirm the Drive icon appears in your system tray. Click it to verify the sync status and check that folders show up in Finder or File Explorer. Right-click any file to make it available offline or to open it on the web. These are quick checks that sync is active. If syncing stalls, pause and resume sync, sign out and sign back in, or restart the Drive app. This usually clears transient errors. If problems persist, check firewall or antivirus settings that might block the app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.